Wala na advertisement. No branding.
No branding, ha?
No branding.
Siyempre, working lang.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about this project?
O, si Mama Ani.
Yeah, this is our public awareness project under our Bantay Kalusugan program to make people aware about non-communicable diseases. Kasi when we talk of non-communicable diseases, there seems to be ignorance or misinformation about it. NCD stands for non-communicable diseases, which are like diabetes, hypertension, high cholesterol, obesity, and worldwide, this is the leading cause of diseases. So we are trying to raise awareness about it by promoting walking as a simple means of a healthy lifestyle.
This is the first time? This is the first time in Bacolod?
First time in Bacolod at our 14th throughout the country.
So how do you see the crowd coming for it?
Sorry.
How do you see the crowd? There's so many people joining.
Yeah, we are happy that people are engaged and are made aware of the NCD. By joining this walk, they are supporting our advocacy.
How do you have a healthy lifestyle?
There.
Why of all diseases, why NCD?
Why NCD? Because as I said, it's the leading cause of death worldwide. And many of the cases go undetected until the symptoms are already very serious and it leads to complications and death. So people should be made aware that maybe they have diabetes, maybe they have hypertension, but they don't know about it. So we try to raise awareness about it.
Ma'am, aside from here, saan po kayo nag-hold ng ganito activity?
Okay. In Manila, of course, in BGC, in the CCP complex, in UP Diliman, where else? Enchanted Kingdom. Then we have it also in Baguio. We have it in Cebu. And then now Bacolod.
And you'll be doing that in other places as well?
Yeah. Next year we'll do it. We don't have yet a definite one. We are looking at maybe Iloilo, Davao.
Ano bang for last 13 years, ano po yung feedback or sa walk?
Yeah, more and more people are being aware of NCDs and they are joining our advocacy. And of course, they are adapting healthy lifestyles.
Promoting a healthy lifestyle. No? And then you pledge.
Ayan, so we have, if we walk for a healthy future, then we also encourage them to adapt any of these, no? Which is exercise, hydration, healthy eating, and good sleep.
Ma'am, your message?
The response of the Bacolod non-Negresya.
Very good. Yeah, we have close to 2,000 participants, which is usually very good for us.
Ma'am, your message po to the public as awareness of NCD in general.
Okay, so what we'd like to do is we'd like people to be aware of NCDs, and then of course by being aware, we hope that we can help reduce the number of cases and enable early detection of diseases and then promote healthy lifestyles.
Aside from this walk, ma'am, any other advocacy?
Oh, we have a lot. Yeah, we have Operation Today Lunas where we provide free medical services and medicines to underserved communities, which we do nationwide. Then we have also Operation Patubig where we install potable water in waterless communities. We have done that also all over the country. Then we have scholarship programs